Flip to me 1 second. Okay, and we're recording. So, tell us what you got, Russell.
I got a few electronics components, as far as I know.
How big are they supposed to be?
That big.
Okay. And what did you get?
Golf clubs?
Good question. Let's find out, shall we?
I already cut the top open.
That's fine. Okay.
Well, there's the reason for the 4-foot box.
A cable.
It's 4 feet of heat shrink that they couldn't wrap in a circle for some reason.
Okay, anything else? Let's see.
Packaging.
Packaging. Yep.
Packaging. Still packaging.
More packaging, yeah.
Nothing inside the packaging.
You're kidding me.
The components.
Yeah.
It's stuck.
Aww.
And
That's it.
yeah, that's it.
Well played. That was awesome. So that all of that.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Packaging slip.
All of that for that. Way to go.